Many of you have been asking me how I make and produce the videos for this YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be going through everything from filming all the way through editing, as well as what gear I use as well. So make sure to stick around. Hey there, it's TZH here with Technological Gadgets, bringing you the best in tech and making it work for you. On this channel, we usually do tech reviews, but sometimes we show you sort of like behind the scenes stuff, such as how I make my videos. So if you happen to like that, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and of course subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and you would like to support me. But enough talking, and let's move on to more of a vlog style shot so I can show you what gear I am using. Okay, and now I'm currently shooting on my Pixel 4a, which is also the phone of choice when I'm doing like run and gun stuff, or I need to film in tight corners, or sometimes filming the b-roll. And yeah, for now the camera that I am using, especially for my main A-roll shots and some of my b-roll shots, is the Sony a6500, as you can see right here, with the Sony 20mm f2.8 lens, which gives me a pretty decently wide shot, especially sitting about an arm's length away. So this is the lens right here, and I am using the Uric sort of mirror right here, as you can see, and my screen at a 45-degree angle, so this way I can actually see myself when filming. So hello. And yeah, for the settings that I'm using, I'm shooting at I'm using the S-Log3 picture profile 8, so that's what I'm shooting at. And as you can see, there is a cable coming out of here, and this is the power adapter that plugs straight into the battery port of this camera. So this way I am able to have constant power to the camera without using one of these batteries. And I'm only using these when I'm like on the go shooting b-roll and stuff like that, so my camera won't constantly turn off and I can film for a really long period of time. And to capture the image, I actually use a HDMI cable right here, as you can see right here. Plugs into mini HDMI straight into a HDMI cable and into this this capture card right here. So this way I can shoot straight into my computer using OBS Studio, as you can see right here. And it is placed on this mount that is mounted to the table. So this way I'm able to have a really compact setup while having the camera pushed back as far as possible and giving me a really nice shot, as you can see right here. And how can I forget lighting? And for lighting, I used to use this softbox, but it has been giving me a bit of problems, so I am currently just using this ring light right here that I have it bounce on the wall, so it gives me really soft lighting, and it can be controlled using this remote right here to turn it on and off. And I usually have it at a maximum brightness at the more bluish color temperature. So that's what I have it, and I have it mounted onto a tripod right there, and those are my cables and stuff like that. So yeah, that is what I'm filming with. And as for audio, I am using this microphone right here, which is the SF9 type microphone on this boom arm right here. And these are my headphones of choice, the SHP 9500s that usually I use to monitor my audio and stuff like that. And all of this is going into the Blackstone GS3 sound card, as you can see right here. And I can do a lot of things, such as mute my audio and plug in different audio sources, plug in two pairs, or plug in a headset, a headphone, and also a pair of and a microphone, which this is the microphone right here, and also a big volume knob to easily control the volume of my headphones. And then here is my phone stand as well, where I usually place my phone when I need to film something really quick, or I just need to have it handy at my setup, just to check some emails or stuff like that. And yeah, so moving on to the editing portion of this whole entire thing. As you can see, the software right here, I am filming using OBS Studio, and over here I usually have the sort of YouTube creator app or open, or usually I have one of my scripts open, which is right here, as you can see right here. And then after that, for editing, I actually use DaVinci Resolve. As you can see right here, I use DaVinci Resolve. The reason why I especially love DaVinci Resolve, it's first of all, it is a really easy and quick editing software with like a bunch of features, so that is really good, solid editing software. And best of all, it is also free, especially if you just buy the you're just using the basic version and you're not using the studio version. It is free, and that is really awesome, as I don't need to pay a monthly fee or any fees for a video editing software, especially for the type of content I'm creating at sort of my level, more basic stuff. Yeah, DaVinci Resolve does work really well. And as for thumbnails, I usually use Canva, and the reason I use Canva is because it is super easy to set up, and I can always just upload what I need right here. As you can see right here, I just have some photos and stuff like that, my tag and all other stuff. And also you can do videos and audio as well, and it is like sort of like a much easier and quicker version of Photoshop, as it's basically just drag and drop and just move it around, and you're kind of like good to go. You can type fonts, put boxes, things like that, and yeah, and then all you have to do is just save it and download it, and you should be good to go. And I'm using this because it is free. There is a paid version, but I'm currently just using sort of the free version. Yeah, and that is, I guess, the gear that I'm using, the camera, the lights, the microphone, and even sort of some of the software that I am using to create my content right now, in 2022. So if you find this interesting, make sure to drop me a like to let me know, and comment sort of down below what do you personally think about this sort of video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Last but not least, thank you all so much for watching and staying tuned to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video.